Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free live sports app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole setup process is gonna be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, you gotta start typing Downloader. So let's do it right now. So we started entering Downloader in the search bar. Let's do it to the end. Type in Downloader, click on it. And that is the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader on your Firestick, you'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, you just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install known apps, and now from here all you gotta do is just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what you're going to do right now. So now, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, which is located right here. Let's open it up, and there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Argentina right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your device, open up Downloader, and wait until it loads for you. And what I gotta do here in the app is open that search bar, and then start entering the code. So the code is gonna be 628932. So once again, it is 628932. That is the code you have to enter. So just enter it as you see and click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, as you can see, the download has already started for us. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then what you'll have to do is click on install and just wait for the app to get installed on your Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you do not really need them anymore on your device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now, if you go to the list of applications on your Firestick, which is located right here, you'll open it, and there's the app that we just downloaded. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, so click on it, and then press on Move to Front. This way, the new app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble while using such apps. Then feel free to open the new application which we got for your Firestick. And from here you get access to hundreds of live TV as well as live sports channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.